Good morning and welcome back to another video. We are heading to Musandam in Oman today. We've just left Dubai, we're on the road. You can see some sand dunes out that way, I think. So we'll take you along for the ride. We're going to head out on a boat for the night, but first we've got to get across the border. JP is driving us.
Hello.
Just arrived at the UAE-Oman border. So we've just made it into Oman. The borders were not very well signposted. We had to kind of be told where to go, but it was pretty easy. Out of one country, drive a little bit more into another country, and yeah, now we've just come through customs and we are sailing along a beautiful road all the way up to Hassa. We've already seen dolphins, we've played up about 20 inflatables, and we are ready to go
Take photo! JP, how long did it take you to get on that unicorn?
Literally 2 seconds.
Oh yeah.
What a lie!
And 5 minutes.
We've been out on the donuts, we've been out on the donuts again, we've snorkeled, JP dropped a snorkel in the sea, now it's in the bottom of the ocean.
Talk about that bit, the one bad bit.
We've watched a lovely sunset and now I'm just having a Mountain Dew. Great way to spend a weekend. Okay, I'm not sure it's going to show up, but there is glow-in-the-dark plankton in the water. So I'll take you guys and see if we can see it. Here's our nice boat. And the water has got the glow-in-the-dark stuff.
Bye.
2 people and a donut.
Hello. This is amazing.
Glow-in-the-dark plankton.
Bioluminescent plankton in Musandam, Oman.
There you go. Good morning. It is now the next day. We've woken up and been for a swim and then just had some breakfast and coffee. And now we are heading off to find some dolphins, I think, and then probably dock up and have another little swim.
2 right over there.
There it is.
Take your posh. Go.
Oh! climbed up and there are some incredible views. Sailing around Musandam. We've seen dolphins, we've watched the sunset, we've explored the fjords.
Glow in the dark plankton.
That too. And we have done so much swimming. We're just driving back now from Hasab down to the border and then back into the UAE. This part of the drive is going to be stunning. So we've just come through the border crossing back into the UAE. Again, it meant queuing at every desk, and there seemed to be tourist agents going through with whole busloads. It took us a while, but we are through, back in the UAE, and now we've just got the drive back to Dubai. So hopefully there isn't too much traffic. We thought we'd have a quick snack, so we've already had the chipotle flavour of these crisps, and oh my god, they were peppery. These ones, put into my mouth, thought they were going to be fine. I'm like, yeah, JP, these ones are fine. And then suddenly the jalapenos hit the back of your throat, and wow, they were strong. Also, check out the town we're just driving through. Like, it looks completely different to Dubai. It's just like, yeah, it's just completely different. I'll show you.
They do have an art day.